Hey there, sleepy polynauts. Here's everything you need to know today. Do you hear that? It's the sound of another console swan song. Nintendo is done making Wiis, according to an official announcement simply reading, "Production ended." Earlier this month, Nintendo had only announced that production would soon end. The console originally launched in 2006, while its successor, the Wii U, launched just last year. Is a new Aliens game on the way? A new trademark filed by 20th Century Fox suggests we haven't seen the last of the franchise. According to the trademark, this mysterious new project is called Alien Isolation. So far, it's been filed for computer and video software as well as downloadable mobile software. No other details are available at this time. However, we do know that the Creative Assembly is very quietly working on another Alien game. Could this be it? Emily Guerra spoke with Oddworld CEO Lorne Lanning about how video games struggle with Britney Spears-like class contexts and not Pink Floyd-like complexity. According to Lanning, time-lasting content is lacking in the gaming industry. He told us, "The best way to see deeper content manifesting is for creators to figure out how to deliver the products cheaper so that they may retain far more creative influence in the end product. If games want to get out of Britney's territory, they'll need to be more like Pink Floyd, a band that was able to cleverly express their issues with negative industry music practices while still making great music," Lanning said. So, less hot, sexy, and wham bam, thank you ma'am, and more cute boy next door with a good job and good morals that can take care of you in the long run, right? And BioShock creator Ken Levine shared his thoughts with us on how to make games endlessly replayable. The trick is easily spotted with Levine's most recent creation, BioShock Infinite, and its heroine, Elizabeth. Characters are built up on primal parts, sort of like Legos, he said. There are some scenes when she performs the same way for everybody who plays the game, every time, always the same, Levine told us. Then there are scenes where we build lots of different narrative content for her. There might be 15 variants of that. But the most important part of Levine's concept, he says, is breaking down small concepts and mixing things up. Check out our full interview with Levine to see exactly what he means by that. That's it for today. Have a good one. And if anyone finds my voice, can you please just send it back to me?